Isaiah 41, verse 13. For I, the Lord thy God, will hold thy right hand, saying unto thee, Fear not, I will help thee. It's a message of the Lord for you today, that He doesn't want you to be in fear as always. He doesn't want you to be in darkness. He doesn't want you to leave behind His words. He wants you to fulfill His words. He wants you to keep on hoping on Him. He wants you to go into many places that He chooses you to go. And God wants you to keep on being in your kindness. He doesn't want you to brag. God wants you to be humble as always. God bless you, and thanks for watching my video.